Remedies for removing bags under the eyes. Regardless of the age or gender, under eye bags are a common concern for many people because they make you appear tired, older, and even sick. Dehydration and lack of sleep can cause our skin to become dehydrated, which can result in puffiness and dark circles under your eyes. As we age, the layer of skin around our eyes becomes thinner and lose elasticity, which makes it easier for it to accumulate and form under eye bags. Genetics can also play a role in the formation of under eye bags. Certain treatments such as applying caffeinated eye lotions and taking cold compresses may assist in reducing their look. There are many over-the-counter and natural products available that claim to be able to reduce under eye bags, but which one really works? In this video, we will look at some of the best solutions for under eye bags and offer advice on how to avoid them in the first place. Before we get started, please aware that this video is for educational purposes only and there is no substitute for medical advice or care. In this video, we will discuss 9 remedies for under eye bags. The first one is honey. Honey is not only a delightful sweetener but it also a nutrient-rich and helps improve our skin, especially the bags under the eyes. Thus, how does honey perform its magic? Since honey is a natural occurring humectant, it helps in retaining moisture beneath eye bags. Can be brought on by the accumulation of fluid in the area, but honey moisturizing properties and improved circulation can help to reduce puffiness. Moreover, honey has antibacterial and antioxidant properties that assist to calm and shield the sensitive skin beneath our eyes and make it a useful remedy for under eye bags. Just touch the area with tiny bit of unrefined organic honey and rub it in a circular motion and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse with lukewarm water. For extra hydration, you can also combine a few drops of almond or coconut oil with honey. It is crucial to remember that honey should not be used in place of medical advice as it may vary. It is advisable to see a doctor if your under eye bags are significant or persistent. The second remedy is egg white. Collagen is naturally found in egg white, which might help in firming and tightening the skin behind the eyes. Just separate the egg white from the yolk and blend it until fluffy. Then gently apply the egg white to the area under the eyes with a brush or finger. Let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. You should notice a noticeable reduction in puffiness and dark circles. This treatment is only widely accessible and affordable, but is also safe for all skin types. Egg white can temporarily treat under eye bags, but it is crucial to address the underlying causes as well as using them on a regular basis. Dehydration, allergies, and lack of sleep are few things that might cause under eye bags. Therefore, ensure that you get adequate sleep. The third remedy is tea bags made up of green tea. Tea bags for puffiness under the eyes. Just soak 2 tea bags in heated water for a few minutes. After letting them cool for 5 minutes until they are warm but not uncomfortable to the touch, place 1 bag under each eye and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Green tea caffeine may also improve the look of dark circles beneath your eyes by lowering the inflammation and narrowing blood vessels, which make it a fantastic natural substitute for some harsh chemical containing eye creams or gel. The fourth remedy is coffee grounds. Caffeine is a vasoconstrictor, means it narrows blood vessels and lowers inflammation. Caffeine helps tighten and firm the skin, giving the appearance of a smoother, less bloated skin. To apply coffee grounds to bag under the eyes, just make a cup of coffee, preserve the leftover grounds, let them cool, then use a fingertip or a gentle cloth to apply them to the area under the eyes. After letting the coffee grounds sit for 10 to 15 minutes, remove them with the cool water. To get the maximum benefit and reduce under the eye bags, you can repeat this procedure once a day or so. The fifth remedy is chill spoons. To use this method, simply place a couple of spoons in the refrigerator until they are cool to the touch. Then lie down and place this spoon back under your eyes, holding them for a few minutes. You can repeat this process as you need it throughout the day. Using cold compress such as a chill tea bag or cucumber slice can also provide relief. The cold temperature constricts the blood vessels and reduce inflammation, which can help reduce the appearance of puffiness and dark circles and give you a brighter and more awake look. Sixth one is yogurt. It has been confirmed that lactic acid which is present in milk reduces skin inflammation and puffiness. Vitamin A and D might help in moisturizing and brightening the sensitive area beneath your eyes. Using milk to remove bags under the eyes for best result, try soaking 2 cotton pads in cold milk and cover your closed eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. The milk cool temperature will help to further reduce puffiness and leave your eyes feeling refreshed. You can also try soaking the cotton pads in milk mixed with teaspoon of turmeric powder for even better results. Turmeric is well known anti-inflammatory qualities can help in reducing the visibility of dark circles beneath your eyes. Next one is rose water. Rose water is prepared by soaking the rose petal in water, has the ability to cure and regenerate skin. It is a fragrant pink color liquid that is rich in vitamins and antioxidants. When applied topically, rose water can reduce inflammation, relieve irritation, and tighten pores. Using rose water to treat bags under the eyes, just submerge 2 cotton pads into the rose water, cover your eyes and then sit back and relax for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the rose water to do its magic. The rose water cooling property will assist in reducing puffiness and the antioxidant will make wrinkles and fine lines look less noticeable. Rose water is very effective but unlike harsh chemicals found in many skincare products, it is also mild and safe for all skin types. Rose water does not contain any dangerous substance and can be used every day without making skin dry and irritated. Next one is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties and is a popular ingredient in many beauty products. It also contains antioxidant, vitamins and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling and inflammation in the under eye area. To use aloe vera gel to get rid of under eye bags, start by washing your face with cold water to help constrict the blood vessels in the area. Then apply a small amount of aloe vera gel to your under eye area and gently massage it using your fingertip. The cooling effect of the gel helps to soothe the skin and reduce puffiness. You can leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it away with cool water. Last one is baking soda. Baking soda is also known as sodium bicarbonate. It is a versatile household item that can be used for everything from cleaning to baking. But did you know that it has beauty benefits? When applied topically, baking soda can help reduce the appearance of under eye bags. How to use it? First, mix small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste. Then apply this paste to your under eye area. Being careful not get into your eyes, leave the paste for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. But how does it work? Baking soda has a natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the swelling and puffiness. It also has a tightening effect on the skin which can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It is important to remember that everyone's skin is different, so what works for one person may not work for another person. If you have sensitive skin or are prone to allergies, it is best to test the baking soda based on a small area of skin before applying into your under eye area. By incorporating this remedy into your daily routine and making lifestyle changes, you can effectively reduce the appearance of under eye bags and improve your overall appearance with greater patience and consistency.